Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you guys have been doing really good, and yes, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be telling you all few very important things which you should definitely keep in mind if you want to clear your exams in the first attempt. I'm sure which you definitely want. Before starting the video, I'm going to update you with one very important thing which I'm doing on the channel. So basically, on this channel, I'm taking frequent tests on each and every chapter of your CA Inter audit, the MCQ and true and false test. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to the channel right away. These tests are free of cost and avail the maximum benefit out of these tests. Also on this channel, I'm going to be uploading a lot of exam strategies which will help you clear your exams. So let's get started with today's video. The first thing which I'm going to be telling you is revision. I don't know how seriously are you taking revisions or how much time you are allotting to revisions in your timetable. Revision is very important. And if you are not revising, I can guarantee you will not be able to score high in exams. Revision is very important. See, what happens is that for each and every day, we have set certain targets. We have set certain goals that aaj ye karna hai, kal ye karna hai. So we focus on that only. Somewhere revision doesn't come into picture. We forget to revise or we feel कि चल आज कर लेंगे या चल कल कर लेंगे, चल देखी जाएगी. तो रिवाइज नहीं करते हैं, because of which students don't clear. Please start revising. If you haven't started revising yet, leave everything. You should definitely make a timetable where you should give good time to revisions. Okay, revision will help you clear your exams. Now that is the first thing. The second important thing is, now first of all, I'm going to be telling you one thing, that in this November 2020 exams, what happened, that students said that ma'am, we are very confident, we have been studying since so long, we will kill it in the exams. Students are very confident, but few of them texted me after exams, ma'am, we went with confidence, but while writing exams we fumbled. We thought that only 3 hours are left. How will I be able to complete the exams? Will I be able to pass or not? So because of which we spoiled our paper, because of which we could only appear for 70 to 75 marks. Now the confidence was good. The study was planned properly. The studies were up to the mark. But what happened when you go in the exam, you messed it up. You messed it up because you couldn't attempt more than 75. So what is happening? You are giving a lot of pressure to yourself while writing exams. Now, what is the solution to this thing? Start appearing for mock test papers. Mock test papers are going to help you clear your exams, because just sit in a silent room, just assume that you are writing exam, put a 3 hours alarm and start writing mock test papers. Go onto the institute site, download the mock test papers and start appearing for mock test paper. Create an environment that you are sitting in the examination hall, so that you can analyze yourself that how much pressure you are feeling during that 3 hours, how to manage your studies, how to complete the entire portion of your exams in 3 hours. It is very important to analyze yourself in pressure. And how can you do it? Don't directly go in the exam and do the paper. First of all, start appearing for mock test papers to be sure that how will you perform under pressure. Okay. Now the third thing which is very important is that start writing and solving your practical questions. I have seen a lot of students just reading questions, seeing the answers. You have to at least write and do your practicals. If you don't write and practice for your practical questions, it is not going to help you. Start writing and solving your papers. And the fourth thing which I'm going to be telling you is RTPs. If you see the question paper of November 2020, you will realize the importance of RTPs, because so many questions got asked from RTPs. Okay, so if you are actually studying properly, please start studying RTPs simultaneously. RTPs are very important. Questions from RTPs are asked in the exams, so do not skip RTP at all. So these are few things. If you keep these things in mind, you will definitely clear your exams in first go. Okay, so practice all this, whatever I've said, and I hope that this video will help you a lot. And also one important thing, that in case if you're scared of audit and if you haven't prepared audit that well, the fast track lectures of audit is available on my app now. You can download the app and the further details will be provided to you on the app. That is it for now. Have a good day and bye.